Hello, dear viewers. The way our body is connected is truly incredible. Every bite we take, every sip we drink, every breath we inhale doesn't just affect one part of us, it influences our entire system. And that's particularly true when it comes to our circulation. Our legs and feet, though they might seem distant, are just as critical to our well-being as our heart or brain. It's vital to keep the blood flowing freely down there. But how can we ensure that? You might be surprised to hear this, but the grocery store is your first port of call. The food we eat can directly impact our circulation, and today we're diving deep into the kitchen to discover the top 12 foods that enhance blood flow in our legs and feet. So whether you're an athlete looking to boost performance or someone who just wants to keep their toes warm in the winter, stick around because we have some delicious and healthy suggestions coming right up. Now let's talk about our first powerhouse food for improved blood circulation. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their multitude of health benefits, including improved blood flow. Omega-3 fatty acids help improve blood flow by reducing inflammation in the blood vessels and thinning the blood. This leads to less clotting and blockage, which in turn helps the blood circulate more freely to all parts of the body, including the legs and feet. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids also help to lower blood pressure and reduce triglyceride levels further, promoting healthy blood circulation. Regular consumption of fatty fish can also contribute to heart health, improved brain function, and a healthier immune system. They're a great source of vitamin D, which is necessary for bone health, and protein, which helps in muscle building and repair. The American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. A serving size is about 3.5 ounces cooked, or about 3/4 cup of flaked fish. Remember, the way you prepare your fish also matters to preserve the beneficial omega-3s. It's best to bake or grill your fish rather than frying. Let's move on to the next superfood on our list. Garlic, a powerful ingredient that not only adds a flavor punch to our dishes, but also packs a serious health punch. Garlic has been known for its health benefits for centuries, with records showing that ancient civilizations used it for its medicinal properties. It's loaded with compounds that can improve blood flow. The main component of garlic that helps with this is allicin, which is released when you chop or crush the garlic. Cloves, allicin helps in widening blood vessels and making blood less sticky, which prevents blood clots and enhances blood circulation to the legs and feet. It's also effective in reducing blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and the risk of heart disease, further supporting the circulatory system. Aside from promoting good blood flow, garlic is a potent source of antioxidants which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Regular consumption can help boost your immune system, keep your skin healthy, improve bone health, and even aid digestion. A common recommendation is to eat 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic per day. You can add it to your meals in various ways, like in sauces, salad dressings, marinades, or even as a topping on your favorite dishes. Do keep in mind, though, that heat can deactivate allicin, so add your garlic towards the end of cooking to keep its beneficial properties intact. All right, let's crack open our next food item. The humble but mighty walnut walnuts are known for their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid similar to the omega-3s found in fatty fish. ALA aids in enhancing blood flow by reducing inflammation in the blood vessels and decreasing the thickness of the blood. This in turn helps blood move more freely, ensuring your legs and feet get the circulation they need. But walnuts don't stop there. They're also packed with L-arginine, an amino acid that, when metabolized in the body, creates nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a vital role in vascular health because it helps your blood vessels to expand, which further supports better blood flow. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants, which protect your cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. They have a high fiber content, which aids digestion. Plus, they're an excellent source of magnesium and copper, 2 minerals essential for many bodily functions. A good rule of thumb is to eat a handful of walnuts per day. That's about 1/4 to 1/2 a cup, or approximately 1 to 2 ounces. You can enjoy them as a snack, toss them in a salad, or even blend them into a smoothie. Let's spice things up with our next superfood, the golden spice of life, turmeric. Turmeric has been hailed for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. The magic of turmeric lies in curcumin, a bioactive compound that has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Inflammation can damage your blood vessels over time, leading to poor circulation. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin help reduce inflammation, thereby allowing blood to flow more freely to all parts of your body including your legs and feet. Moreover, curcumin aids in improving blood vessel function. Studies have found that curcumin can enhance blood vessel dilation and protect cardiovascular health. Improving circulation, the antioxidant properties of curcumin help combat oxidative stress in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It can also aid in digestion, boost brain function, and even has potential anti-cancer properties. It's recommended to consume around 500 to 2,000 milligrams of turmeric per day. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body, but you can enhance its absorption by consuming it with black pepper, which contains piperine, a substance that boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. You can add turmeric to your diet in various ways, such as in curries, soups, smoothies, or even turmeric tea. Next on our list are the colorful and delicious berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not just sweet treats. They're also incredibly beneficial for blood circulation. The secret lies in their high content of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that's particularly effective at promoting heart health and improving circulation. Flavonoids help stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow. This enhanced circulation naturally benefits all parts of the body, including the legs and feet. Furthermore, berries are packed with antioxidants which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. They're also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps manage weight. Plus, berries are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and manganese, that support overall health. Aim to incorporate a serving or two of berries into your diet. Each day, a serving is typically 1 cup of fresh berries. You can enjoy them as a snack, add them to cereal or yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or use them in baking. Let's peel back the layers on our next food item. The vibrant and zesty oranges are famously known for their high vitamin C content. But did you know this essential vitamin also plays a key role in promoting good circulation? Vitamin C is crucial for the health of your blood vessels. It strengthens the capillary walls and prevents damage, allowing for efficient and unimpeded blood flow to all parts of your body, including your legs and feet. In addition, oranges are rich in flavonoids, specifically a type called hesperidin, which can improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, further boosting circulation. The high vitamin C content is also excellent for boosting your immune system, protecting your cells from damage, and aiding in the absorption of iron. Oranges are also a good source of fiber, promoting digestive health, and they provide essential nutrients such as potassium and B vitamins to reap these benefits. Try to incorporate 1 orange into your daily diet. You can enjoy it fresh as a snack in salads, smoothies, or as freshly squeezed juice. Now let's indulge in a treat that's not only delicious but also beneficial for our circulation. Dark chocolate, specifically the kind that's at least 70%. Cocoa is rich in flavonols. These are plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can stimulate the lining of your arteries to produce nitric oxide. As we've mentioned before, nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels, facilitating better blood flow to all parts of your body, including your legs and feet. Aside from promoting healthy circulation, dark chocolate's high antioxidant content can combat oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain cancers. It's also a great source of essential minerals like iron, magnesium, copper, and manganese for optimal health benefits without overdoing calories. It's recommended to limit dark chocolate consumption to about 1 to 2 ounces per day. You can enjoy it as a treat on its own or add it to smoothies and desserts. Now let's dig into a leafy green that even Popeye swore by: spinach. Spinach is chock full of nitrates, compounds that the body converts into nitric oxide. As we've mentioned earlier, nitric oxide plays a crucial role in widening blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely to all areas of the body, including your legs and feet. Spinach doesn't stop there. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals such as magnesium and iron, all of which contribute to overall health. Spinach is also packed with antioxidants, which can combat oxidative stress and inflammation, and it's a great source of fiber, aiding in digestion and weight management. It's recommended to include at least 1 serving of spinach in your diet per day. A serving size is about 1 cup of cooked spinach, or 2 cups of raw spinach. You can enjoy spinach in salads, sautéed as a side dish, blended into a smoothie, or incorporated into soups and stews. Let's heat things up a bit with our next food. Ginger has a long history of use in traditional and alternative medicine. One of its standout benefits is its ability to improve blood circulation. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help to reduce inflammation in your blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow throughout your body. Furthermore, ginger can help prevent blood clots by making platelets less sticky. This effect further promotes better circulation. Ginger is also famous for its anti-nausea effects and is often used to soothe an upset stomach or alleviate morning sickness and seasickness. It can aid digestion, reduce pain and inflammation, and even potentially lower blood sugar levels and cholesterol. Adding just 1 to 2 grams of ginger to your daily diet can provide significant health benefits. You can enjoy ginger in various ways, fresh dried powdered, or as a tea or juice. Next up on our list is a food that might surprise you. Celery. Celery is a highly nutritious vegetable that has been shown to improve blood circulation due to its high content of nitrates similar to spinach. These nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in your body, which helps widen your blood vessels additionally. Celery contains a compound called 3N-butylphthalide, or NBP, which helps lower blood pressure by relaxing the tissues of the artery walls, allowing blood to flow freely. Celery is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It's also rich in antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, and its high fiber content aids in digestion and weight management. Aim to incorporate 4 to 5 medium-sized stalks of celery into your daily diet, whether in salads, stir-fries, soups, or as a snack with your favorite dip. Now let's burst into our next food item. The jewel fruit pomegranates are bursting with polyphenol antioxidants, which can provide several heart health benefits, including improving blood flow. These antioxidants help protect the lining of the blood vessels, enabling them to relax and dilate, which increases blood flow to all parts of your body. Moreover, pomegranates are known for their ability to lower blood pressure and decrease plaque formation in the arteries, both of which can improve circulation apart from enhancing circulation. They are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and they also slow down the process of aging, improve memory, fight cancer cells, and promote exercise performance to optimize blood flow. Consume about 1 cup of pomegranate seeds or 8 ounces of pomegranate juice. Daily, you can enjoy the seeds as is toss them into your salads. Sprinkle them onto yogurt or blend them into smoothies. We're rounding off our list with a vegetable that's hard to beat. Beetroot, or simply beets. Beets are packed with dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a pivotal role in widening and relaxing your blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow to all parts of your body, including your legs and feet. Moreover, beets have been studied for their ability to lower blood pressure. Participants experienced a significant decrease in blood pressure just a few hours after drinking beetroot juice. This decrease also promotes better circulation. Beets are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin C, and iron. They are rich in antioxidants, which can help fight inflammation and oxidative stress. And the high fiber content supports digestive health. Include about 1 to 2 cups of cooked beets or beetroot juice in your diet. Each week, you can enjoy beets in salads, soups, or as a juice. Keep in mind that cooking beets can reduce their nitrate content, so it's best to steam or roast them to preserve their nutritional properties. In conclusion, we've explored the top 12 foods that can help stimulate better blood flow to your legs and feet, from omega-3 packed fatty fish to nitrate-rich beets. Remember, these foods are part of a bigger picture, your holistic health journey. While these foods are beneficial, they complement a balanced diet, regular exercise, and routine health checkups. So keep striving for a healthier you. One meal at a time. We'd love to hear your favorite recipes using these foods in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, here's to your health. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.